if you have an iPhone, it won't matter what iPhone it is, what camera it is, when you know the limitations of your equipment. 2015 के एंड की बात है, अभी अनबैन हुआ था YouTube. Just started making vlogs. 18 मिनट की क्लिप है, एडिट भी नहीं की,
रॉ फुटेज
डाल दी, उसमें आउटटेक सब है. Why? Because I don't give a shit.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Man, does it feel good to be back after a wait of 2 long years. The day my team and I actually decided that yes, we are coming back was the day we realized that our first episode has to be an absolute banger of an episode. So once we were out shortlisting potential guests, we came across a profile that left us all mesmerized by the insane amount of talent this guy possesses at this really young age of his. He is none other than the founder of Cedar Film Festival. Let's hear more from him about this experience and the other experiences he has in line. He is none other than Musaddiq Rafi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
क्या हाल है?
Alhamdulillah. Thank you for joining us, Musaddiq.
No problem. What's funny is this is the first episode, right?
Yeah, the first episode.
What made you bring me on for the first episode? कि नहीं ये बंदा.
यार ये बंदे का I'm serious guys, go and have a look at his profile. You'll be shocked कि भाई ये बंदे का फिल्म मेकिंग टैलेंट जो है इस पाकिस्तान स्टैंडर्ड्स के हिसाब से तो it's very bougie as well.
Yeah.
And it's definitely, yeah, that is a big on compliment from my end. That's the biggest I could come up with. Exactly. And apart from that, you're not even using high profile equipment in most of your films. You're using iPhone, you're using what, basic cameras.
नहीं अब I've switched.
अब you switched, but we
like
did our homework.
Like a month
we did
ago.
our homework.
I had an 80D for the longest time. I was using my phone and an 80D.
Exactly.
Like I started on an iPhone 6.
Shit.
Then a 7 for 5 years.
Holy shit.
Yeah. And then 13. And then बीच में 80D I used to keep switching because 80D अब quality video की camera ही नहीं है. So working on that was just a challenge.
Wait. Tell me one thing. So you'll find a lot of people who say that
equipment doesn't matter.
Exactly.
Yeah.
There you go. I think you're the perfect answer to those as well.
Okay. It's subjective. कैसे? Equipment doesn't matter. I will support it.
Okay.
But it's kind of debatable. ऐसे कि for example, if you have an iPhone, it won't matter what iPhone it is, what camera it is, when you know the limitations of your equipment. And you work through those limitations. For example, किसी environment में, I want to make a film. And I can afford an iPhone. I have an iPhone 8, I have an iPhone X. Shit, can I swear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
It has shit color. सही है? मैं ग्रेड नहीं कर सकता इनमें. What I can do is I can do black and white.
Okay. Yeah, you can.
People exactly.
Now,
color का
you've cracked it out.
Exactly. Color का पता नहीं चलेगा कुछ. That's what I did. iPhone 7 पे black and white. People used to ask me कौन सी कैमरा है, because you can easily punch in contrast जितना भी मर्जी हो, punch down the shadows मर्जी है, because it's black and white.
Yeah.
फटेगी नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
There you have it.
Damn.
So when you know your limitations, you can easily do it. And when I started, I didn't even have a tripod. Books रख दी, shelf रख दिया.
Yeah, this sounds like a perfect वो एक struggle story नहीं होती लोगों की. Did you have like something of that sort as well? Like a struggle story or something?
In what regard?
In regards to you discovering yourself as a potential filmmaker.
Yeah, I started as a YouTuber.
Channel in link in the description below.
One of the very first YouTubers in Pakistan. जब वो Logan Paul, Jake Paul, Mo Vlogs start हुआ था. 2016, 2015 के end.
I think if I'm not wrong, that was the peak time when Muro, Yukano and one of those guys came as well.
No one started. Even Junejo wasn't on the scene.
Oh,
yeah.
Sorry. My dates are really bad. Sorry guys.
2015 के एंड की बात है. अभी अनबैन हुआ था 2 साल पहले ही YouTube.
Okay.
YouTube just released a feature for everyone to upload videos in Pakistan.
Oh.
Yeah.
That
पहले
happened
feature
too?
I don't think था. तो Yeah, I just started making vlogs. मैं
हाँ.
18 मिनट की क्लिप है, एडिट भी नहीं की,
सही है, raw footage.
रॉ फुटेज डाल दी, उसमें आउटटेक सब है. Why? Because I don't give a shit.
You do give a shit now. At
Now
least.
I give a shit. But I most recently अभी 1 महीना पहले switched to FX3. So now it's like
bro, FX3 is like the dream camera.
That's like the end.
Exactly.
End of the spectrum. उसके ऊपर
उसके ऊपर फिलहाल तो नहीं
कहाँ
आया
जाओगे
तो.
आप? Like
Red?
they made a movie on it.
Yeah, they did.
FX3.
They did. FX3.
Red, I don't like Red.
Why?
Oh, by the way, Red को Nikon ने purchase
Yeah,
किया.
I know.
That was
Oh, yeah, ये क्यों
a
किया?
nightmare for equipment people, a nightmare for gear people. I don't, because we don't know आगे क्या होना है.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, nobody saw that coming.
I did. I thought it was a meme.
Yeah, even I did. Initially, I was like, bro, सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता. Nikon कहाँ, Red कहाँ?
Exactly.
And people were like, bro, this is actually for real. This is happening.
They made a big move. But khair, back on
Yeah.
struggle. So after the YouTube thing, quarantine आया. For 5 years I did YouTube. Channels delete हुए, दोस्त ने delete किया, ये वो हो गया, demonetize हो गया. $60 अभी तक मेरे पास पड़े हैं मेरे. Yeah. उतना ही मिलता था उस वक्त
अभी कितना
पाकिस्तानियों
मिलता
को. अब $7 compared to $700
Okay,
for the
that's not
same
bad.
amount.
Yeah.
So like तब तो मोनेटाइजेशन पाकिस्तानियों के लिए थी नहीं. मैं तो पता नहीं कैसे करके बैठा था. पहले था कोई भी मोनेटाइज कर सकते.
Okay,
फिर
सही
उसके
है.
बाद आया यू नीड 10,000 व्यूज. फिर
Okay.
अब है यू नीड 4,000 आवर्स ऑफ वॉच टाइम एंड शिट.
They require subscribers as well, if I'm not wrong, right? A specific
1,000. अब है
amount.
1,000
अच्छा, सही है.
subscribers.
Okay,
That's easy. If you have the watch time, you'll have the subscribers.
fair enough.
Plus you can buy subscribers.
Never
People
knew
do that. People buy monetization as well. It's easy. I mean उससे आपको रीच नहीं आती. रीच खत्म हो जाती है जैसे इंस्टा है. But people do it in Pakistan. खैर, तो आफ्टर यूट्यूब क्वारंटीन आया, आई वॉज लाइक यू नो वट, ऐसे ही ना कुछ बनाते हैं छोटा सा. सो आई मेड लाइक अ वेरी डार्क, वो डार्क टाइम चल रहा था टीन एज में मेरी ना, 15-16 की उम्र में.
Midlife crisis.
मिड लाइफ हो माई मिड टीन एज क्राइसिस मोर लाइक. आई मेड अ स्मॉल डार्क thing. A guy is doing drugs. He's saying things. It was very trippy. People liked it.
Okay.
I mean मेरे दोस्त ही थे, but people liked it, and I was like, okay, this can be done.
Unacceptable.
Yeah. So this is a thing because उस वक्त reels वगैरह नहीं थे. उस वक्त TikTok था, मैं कभी TikTok use किया नहीं.
I think
So-
that was the time when TikTok used to be considered as something very cringe.
Yeah, it was. Exactly. So story line वाला, film वाला content कहीं था ही नहीं. So मेरे दिमाग में मेरी invention थी. So I made another बंदा fucking आसमान से जम मार रहा है. It's a demon. आँख खोल रहा है, पूरी आँख काली. I got into VFX and shit. Exploration खुल गई ना फिर मेरी. समझो मैंने जितना YouTube फिल्म के बारे में देखा है, किसी और ने किसी और चीज़ के बारे में पूरी ज़िंदगी में नहीं देखा होगा. आई गॉट इतना डीप कि एट द एज ऑफ 15 आई न्यू हाउ एन anamorphic lens is made. What
Shit.
glass it's made of. Even
Shit.
that. So
Dude, that's insane.
again, I will quote, everyone is talented. Everyone has some sort of talent. But are you obsessed? That begs the question.
Damn, that's deep.
Are you
That
obsessed?
is deep.
Yeah. That only then you'll get somewhere, man. जैसे तुम हो.
हाँ.
You started this podcast. You wouldn't have come back. नहीं, किसी को पता नहीं होता, लोग भूल चुके हैं. You came back. You're obsessed. You want to do it.
Absolutely.
You have the drive in you to do it.
Yeah.
You don't have the drive. You're stuck.
You're useless.
You're actually disposable.
Yeah. To one point in time.
Yeah.
I think that's the right word as well.
Yeah.
I mean, if you don't have the drive, see, you can have potentially all the resources. I'm pretty sure that, okay, to one point in time, finances could be an obstacle, but let's agree to the fact that even most people do not have that limitation.
Yeah.
It's about कितने सारे ऐसे लोग मिल जाएंगे, they've already bought the stuff and it's
They don't know how
somewhere
to
in the
use it.
cupboard. They don't even have the knowledge. They don't have the drive. They don't even know कि वो कहाँ पड़ा हुआ होगा.
And I don't like when people are like, I'm starting out, what camera should I get? Don't get a camera, man. Just start out on whatever you have, see how it goes for you. After a year or two, if you have the audience, if you have the free का budget है तुम्हारे पास, ऐसे नहीं कि savings है सारी उड़ा दी. If you have like enough savings कि just a portion of that you're using to invest, only then do it. When you know how to do things. And because then you kind of build the drive in you. कि अच्छा पता चल रहा है बंदे को यही करना है मैंने. You know, if you didn't try the podcast out
Yeah.
and you directly bought the stuff, you didn't like it, पड़ा रहता, क्या करते?
बिल्कुल.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
It's a waste of money. It's a waste of energy. So
It's a waste of money. It's a waste of resources. It's a waste
everything. You're just
It's just going down in the vein.
exactly. अब जैसे मैं हूँ, I like exploring hobbies. I have a knack of picking up on things really easily.
Okay.
So for example, gym गया, down to the point, समझ में आ गया 2 महीने में, 6 महीने में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ गई, लोग पागल हो गए.
सही है.
ओके अब कुछ नया ढूंढना है ऑब्सेस करने के लिए हॉबीज़ में. ये तो पैशन है फिल्म, बट खैर. सो उसके बाद फॉर एग्जांपल बचपन से बाइक पसंद है. गियर वाली बाइक सीखना बहुत मुश्किल है. पहले मैंने स्कूटी खरीदी छोटी सी इलेक्ट्रिक, उसमें गियर वगैरह तो नहीं, बैलेंसिंग थोड़ी सही की अपनी. आई गॉट अ हैवी बाइक. आई हैव नेवर ड्रिवन अ बाइक बिफोर. सही है. मैंने एक यूट्यूब वीडियो देखी 10 मिनट में, शॉप पे गया, वापस घर खुद लेके आया बाइक. I'm not lying. That happened, and मेरे दिमाग में it was normal.
And how
for
big
me.
of a bike was that? 600?
No. 300 cc.
300cc heavy bike for the first time.
For the
That
first
is
time.
insane.
Exactly.
Dude, that's
Rushed.
risky. That's risky.
That's risky. I know. अब मेरे दिमाग में it was normal for me ना कि okay, not a big deal कि मैं चला के आ गया. When my sister, my mother asked me how, they were shocked because they were in the car मेरे पीछे. They were like, how? There's no way you don't know how to drive a bike. I was like, I swear I don't. I watched a YouTube video. I showed them my watch history. They were like, this is fucking crazy.
Ouch. Shit.
Yeah. Again, on drive. For example, Cedar Film Festival करवाया, 2 साल करवाया. दूसरे साल में I was kind of skeptical. Should I do it? Because the first time I did it, it sucked the soul out of me. Like it drains you because you have to fight. College है. So you don't have control. You need to fight for it, no? So the fighting drains you. Then having the drive to fight, pushing yourself constantly, and leading a team. While leading an event, you have to build your own finances, get a jury in, get submissions in, handle a website, handle the marketing. Looking over all of that it's mental.
That must have drained you out.
Oh, khatam. I remember इस दफ़ा तो लास्ट टाइम थोड़ा छोटे स्केल पे था, मैं नया था. It was my first time doing it.
Oh, okay.
So for me it was I would say less draining experience because scale छोटा था, but लड़ना बहुत पड़ा था.
Okay.
बहुत लड़ना पड़ता. इस बार it was like the admin was like on a gunpoint with me. They were like, okay, we know your moves, so you, we're taking this away from you, this away from you, this away from you, and what are you gonna do?
Ouch.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah. And then fight for it, and they like try sidelining you. They don't listen to you. They don't want to listen to you. They want you to fail.
Why? Dude.
Because
Isn't
they
your
think,
goal and their goal the same at the end of the day?
because
See, you
they
will have
think
different mindsets, but
उनके दिमाग में मैं फिर बाप बन रहा हूँ कंट्रोल लेके. They don't like giving control.
shit.
Yeah, so that's the
So
deal.
that's like keeping all the authoritative power in your hand while having
Authoritative.
all the labor and the pawns do your work for you.
That, and for example, you need money to do the event.
Yeah.
खुद ही sponsors लेके आओ, खुद ही submissions लेके आओ, and then they don't even let you spend that money. Yeah, approvals, 10 approvals चाहिए, इनकी sign चाहिए, इनकी sign चाहिए. I spent half of the budget was my money, paying for stuff. I'd never got it back.
Ouch.
Yeah, so that just makes me not want to return.
Not return to film festival.
Do the film festival again. Because they said they'll call me in or whatever, but I was like, I'll think about it.
Shit.
Yeah.
Damn, that's deep.
Yeah.
That is
Plus
deep.
jury, पिछली बार की jury चलो छोटी थी, इस बार की jury, we had Asim Azhar, Shahryar, we had Salma Hassan, we had अपना Marine Jabbar, Nadeem Beg, we had who else?
I think these names itself are very big.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
speak for themselves.
बहुत बड़ी jury थी, and any film festival hosted in Pakistan, सबसे बड़ी jury हमारी in the history of Pakistan.
Undoubtedly.
So most credibility of the most credibility any Pakistani film festival has, it's ours. It's
MashaAllah.
mine, not hers. Yeah, ours as in me and my team.
Yeah, absolutely.
Ours not as in me and my college. No.
Ouch.
No.
But dude, okay, let's change this conversation from the Syria Film Festival to your own content.
नहीं, मैं ड्राइव की बात कर रहा था.
हाँ ठीक है, ड्राइव तो कर रहे हैं, बट
अच्छा, वो हो गया, okay.
ठीक है, वो हो गया, वहाँ से हम आगे फिल्म फेस्टिवल पे भी चले गए. बट टेल मी वन थिंग, यू सेड दैट तुम्हारा कंटेंट बहुत डार्क है, बट ऐसा कौन सा गम लगा हुआ है भाई? Why is it so freaking dark to begin with?
सारा डार्क नहीं है. I'm trying to bring color in. I've tried. People have repeatedly told me this कि तुम्हारी प्रोफाइल इतनी डार्क है, हम खोलते हैं अंधेरा हो जाता है कमरे में. There needs to be color. And what do? I bring color. I try to bring color. And see, the thing with me is I figured this out long time ago. So I was on YouTube. 5 साल था. On and off गया था. 6 महीने के ब्रेक्स लेता था मैं. Because I didn't feel like it. Then I figured out. Then Insta पे मैंने रील्स जब बनाना शुरू की या कंटेंट बनाना शुरू किया, फिल्म्स बनाना शुरू की, so उसमें मेरी कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं आ रही थी. Once a month, twice a month. Then I figured I only make things when I feel something. I make what I feel.
Got it.
So what you're watching on my account is what I've felt. That's why you can relate to it.
That is one deep statement which you
Yeah,
made.
no, that's...
I think that is, yeah, you're right. That is why it's relatable, because you're practically showing what your heart is
I'm
feeling.
pouring my heart out now.
Yeah.
So that's why you can resonate so much with it, because it's so honest and raw.
Yeah.
Whatever you say, whatever the anyone thinks, it is what it is. Take it in your face.
Okay, done.
Even if it's about letting someone go, letting someone be, or your parents dealing with that, or dealing with your past. I've done metaphorical videos and stuff. For example, अभी काजी भाई के साथ मेरा collab था, right? It was about phone calls.
Okay.
ठीक है. It was his concept, but I took it because basically video का पूरा वो concept क्या है? For example, you are calling me and I'm not picking up, and I don't pick up and you get mad, right? And मेरा मसला ये है right now, आज की सिर्फ I have 39 missed calls. चेक कर लेता हूँ. 45.
Dude, I believe you. Come on.
So 45 missed calls, and people get mad at me for that, no? And he explained it so beautifully in that video. I was like, I'll take it. So even if it's through someone else,
Yeah.
it
your own.
resonates
Yeah, exactly.
with me. That's why you can relate with it.
Oh.
Yeah.
No wonder you don't really have that frequency, because you're pouring your heart out into something which is relatable, and it needs that specific creative thinking time.
So what I'm doing अब नहीं इतना टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं लगता. It's when I'm in the zone आ जाता है, उसी वक्त आ जाता है.
सही है.
Right? Then I have the storyboard in my head, the writing in my head, क्या करना है, शॉट कैसे लेना है. Exact thing 10 मिनट में शूट होगी complete. 10 मिनट में वीडियो complete. Yeah. And then edit पे भी बैठा. I know what I want. It's here.
Yeah.
I'll make it edit 1 घंटे में हो गई. People take 8 hours building the story. I build the story in my head.
Okay.
Then the camera, and then the post.
And then you're done.
Guys, I'll give you an advice. So people, what they do, they make the story while editing. That's why it takes you so long. That's why you just sitting there wondering what to do, or like what you could do. Be clear on your vision and build the story pehle to save work later, because then you know what you want. It's then even grading. I know कौन सा look चाहिए. Grade कर लिया, 10 मिनट में grade हो गया, टक 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 हो गया, खत्म.
LUTs or
No.
As
Manual.
in normal grade.
Fully manual. I don't like LUTs.
Wait, seriously? They're good.
It's
Easier.
slur alert. It's thing for me.
Fair enough. I mean, that's one way you can put it out.
You should know how to manipulate footage.
Yep, you should. I mean, if you're someone who's planning on taking this professionally, obviously you need
I mean,
to.
rely on LUTs, sure, but don't be hell bent on them, because then you'll be depending on LUTs. लोग चाहिए लट्स ढूंढ रहे हो आप गूगल पे, फिर पेड आ रही है सारी, यू जस्ट क्रैकिंग देम.
Nah, rather
Back to your
just stick
question,
to your
what
own
was
thing.
it?
Let's actually switch the narrative.
Okay.
Tell me one thing that you said that in terms of your creative thinking process, 10 minute mein I had done, you created the look which you wanted, cracked the concept. But every other creative individual faces one thing, creative block.
Okay, how I deal with this, अब is I know my weakness. हाँ, again, जैसे equipment की weakness है, आपकी weakness है.
बिल्कुल.
Creative block is more of, if you look at it ऐसे कि maybe you don't have, like, for example, I have 3 flavors of ice cream. मैंने एक टब खाया एक दिन, दूसरा टब खाया दूसरे दिन, तीसरा टब खाया तीसरे दिन. ख़त्म हो गया. I don't have ice cream. Right? I don't have topics. I don't have that, you know, those tubs of ice cream to eat anymore. What do I do? Wait for the guy to come and give me. Like, what do you do? You're at your home. You're just staring at the empty tubs, waiting for ice cream to magically appear, and then that won't happen. Now you
Exactly,
have to
that
make that
won't.
ice cream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good yaar.
Do you get it?
Good yaar.
Yeah. So जैसे आइसक्रीम है वैसे ही देन एक्सप्लोर. क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक आ गया.
हाँ.
एक्सप्लोर. मे बी इफ यूर इन द वाइब ऑफ मेकिंग समथिंग सैड, या नहीं है कोई भी विजन, जस्ट पुट योर सेल्फ इन एन अनफेमिलियर सिचुएशन, और दैट सॉन्ग you've never heard, that song you haven't heard from a long time, or just explore, you know, new topics on new kind of videos. You see that one thing, it sparks something here, it's done. My main thing is music. मैं गाना सुन रहा हूँ, कोई पुराना गाना सुनूंगा दिमाग में आ जाएगा. I have my own playlist, लिखा है songs for my films.
Good yaar.
Yeah, उसमें there are all the songs. जब भी मैं गाना सुना, कुछ आया दिमाग में, playlist में डाल दिया.
Solid.
प्लेलिस्ट में डाल दिया. So then if I'm ever in that block, I just go open that playlist up, खोला,
There you go.
shit ये बनाना था. Yeah, exactly.
Kind of like जैसे muscle memory होती है, this is like song memory.
Song
I mean,
memory.
people, there's one thing which I read somewhere, I can't really recall where, but certain fragrances are associated to certain memories as well. So once you smell that fragrance,
Yeah.
you're transported way into back in time.
Yeah.
That's the same thing about music.
Yeah, that's true. Even with scent, it's like that. For example, I'm somewhere, मैं किसी जगह गया हूँ, and it has a smell of a feeling that I got in Hyderabad 4 years ago. Those memories will start playing in my head.
Absolutely.
Yeah, exactly. So वही बात है. If you're in a creative block, घर पे बैठने से कुछ नहीं होगा, बेड पे बैठने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Get out of your house, walk around. Maybe it's something in your house that you see that you're like, okay, you know, the clock is ticking. Shit, that's a cool concept. What can I do?
That is actually a really cool concept, and many directors have taken inspiration from those.
Yeah.
I mean, just the smallest thing of what the clock tick tock. People have used this in numerous occasions, and if they've created masterpieces out of
अभी
it.
for example, coffee का cup है, for transparent होता, let's say. So yeah, it was full. You keep cutting cutting back to the cup, and it's slowly going down. It's showing passage of time. Now you have that in your head. What can you put in the story?
Good.
A guy is locked up. सही है.
Done.
Somewhere.
Okay.
पानी का ग्लास पूरा भरा हुआ है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. And नहीं, लेट्स से एक काम करते हैं, आइसक्रीम है.
Okay.
ये एक शो में था, अभी याद आया.
सही है.
आइसक्रीम गिरती है उस पे. एपिसोड के शुरू में दिखाते हैं, a businessman is walking.
Okay.
His ice cream falls on the footpath. He leaves it. And close up आ गया shot 5 सेकंड. They cut. And a guy is locked up somewhere. ठीक है. And how do they show कितने दिन गुजरे हैं या कितना टाइम गुजरा है, you know? अब for example, if it's day to day तो पता तो नहीं चलेगा. It's
हाँ,
the same time.
Exactly.
What they did was they showed the same ice cream on the ground with ants all over it. That's 3 hours.
Oof.
And then the next day, even the cone was like solidified into the ground.
Damn, that is such intense storytelling.
Yeah, you can take the simplest of things and make them anything you want, as complex as you want.
I mean, that's the power of storytelling in commercials, in films, practically everywhere.
Another thing is developing your style. लाइक मेरे दोस्त हैं या जो पुराने लोग दैट हैव बिन फॉलोइंग मी फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, देव टोल्ड मी दिस कि वी सी अ वीडियो either on your account or someone else's account that you've made, we can tell it's you.
That's probably your style.
That's my style.
Yeah.
People शुरू से ही they're like, I need to develop my style.
Developing your style takes time. It comes with
takes
trial
time.
and error.
Exactly. You can't just go like for example, you start out, जैसे जुनेजो है, he started out with Casey Neistat, key inspiration,
as
and
his
Peter
inspiration.
McKinnon.
Yeah.
Exactly.
He used to
And
come out and practically say that out loud as well.
he
वो
said
कहता
that.
था.
And he slowly developed his own style. अभी देखें, you can tell it's जुनेजो का काम.
Yeah. चाहे वो कमर्शियल्स में हो या फिर आपको
Exactly.
इंस्टाग्राम पे रील देख रही हो.
Reel
चलो रील्स में तो यू कैन सी द नेम ना, लेकिन आप कमर्शियल्स में भी देख लो, यू कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई दैट इट इज जुनेजो.
Yeah.
Similarly, same goes for Muro as well.
Same goes for your dad, man. Mr. Abid Salim, he's a great photographer. बचपन से सुनता आ रहा हूँ. You can tell he's done the product photography.
Yeah.
There's like a specific style he follows. You can feel the space, the vibrance in the images. भले मॉडल की शूट हो या डोमिनोज की हो.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
चाहे वो सर्विस का जिंगल हो.
Yeah.
Dude, what's your longer run goal eventually?
I'm open to exploration.
You need to.
लॉन्गर रन देखो, एक गोल होता है किसी का कि मुझे इतने पैसे चाहिए, मैं बाहर हूँ, ये चाहिए मुझे, और मुझे इतना बड़ा आदमी बनना है, मुझे CEO बनना है इस कंपनी का.
Got it.
What world are you living in? No offense. मेरा it's more like wherever I am, however I am, I hope I'm financially stable
Inshallah.
and enough to do my own thing. Long run, at the end of the day, I want to be known as a director. Mainly.
Cool.
Mainly.
So my main question at this point in time is for our audiences specifically, the type of content we consume on a daily basis is A, lifestyle, B, शादियाँ वगैरह, social issues आ जाएंगे, typical rom-coms, but dude, you are a league on its own. How do
It's
you
a different
plan
level.
on visioning what you are to what the society really needs or what they're consuming? How do
Okay.
you plan on bridging the barrier itself?
Okay, so you bridge it by, you know how editing software में you apply a cross dissolve or a crossfade.
I hate that, but works
You
everywhere.
hate it.
Works everywhere.
Works everywhere, but it's everywhere.
Exactly.
And if you don't notice it, it kind of the goal, you know.
Yeah, it does.
Unless
Smooth
you're the one-
and then go.
Unless you're the one doing it, you don't mind it, because in your own video you know it's happening. So that feels like shit. So ऐसे ही imagine people like, for example, you said rom-coms. I am never doing a comedy. I know that. ठीक है. If it's a rom thing, I was about to make a short film. I scrapped it due
Why?
to. Yeah, I was making it again about something very personal, and I didn't think that person deserves
So much attention.
so much attention.
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. हमारे यहाँ के लोग specifically अगर defense की बात करूँ, they don't consume it in dramas, right?
Okay.
They
yeah,
they
at some
don't.
point in time, yeah.
I mean they do, but not as much as if you compare like North Karachi.
Got it.
They're more family dynamics अलग होते हैं. They're more drama oriented, you know. So give people like that. It's like doing a survey. General audience को आपने एक दिए
Okay, say.
script,
Yeah, I get that.
get inputs on it कि समझ में आ रही है. समझ में आ रही है ना, that's fine. You're good on it. ठीक है. Visual style आपका. Visual style people. Visual style सिर्फ वो देखते हैं that actually watch it for visual style.
Yeah.
For example, drama है, एक लाइट लगा देते हैं, मुंह में लाइट लगा देते हैं. People don't notice it. They're there for the soap opera, for the drama. If it's so, you're covering them through story. You're covering the visual wali audience through the visuals, and that's it.
That's the best of both worlds in your
Best.
regard.
सबको चलाना है साथ.
Say.
If you're investing a lot of money in it, अगर थोड़े बहुत हैं, you can target specific audiences. पर that's a gamble again.
Yeah, that is a gamble for sure.
But वही बात है, cross dissolve करना है आपको. You have to make them adapt to this. जैसे reels है Insta की. Reels flop होता अगर TikTok नहीं होता.
Oh yeah, agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed.
So TikTok got people used to the portrait format. उससे पहले पोर्ट्रेट देखने में सर में दर्द होता था.
Dude, उसके अलावा the contemporary standards of filmmaking they've practically changed. अब clients want reels, vertical adapt. They're like, dude, what?
I got a gimbal yesterday. उसका नया feature ये है कि you can quick switch to vertical mode.
That was the RS4 combo.
RS4 combo. I was like, so they charged me like 30k extra for that.
30k?
I mean, it's 30k more than the RS3.
Okay.
Main
okay,
function
okay.
अब ये change हुआ है कि
Vertical
vertical
adapter.
adapter है. But again, if I'm freelancing, I need to adapt as well.
Exactly.
Because clients want more and more portrait thing. Kids. Gen X है ना ये?
I think so.
Okay.
Sorry, मुझे भी इतना नहीं idea.
It's okay. जो भी है. Gen Y है, I think.
I don't know.
No
Like I
idea.
said,
जो
I'm
भी
sorry.
है. जो भी आप. Holding the phone like this was the main thing. हम ऐसे पकड़ते थे. Games भी ऐसे खेलते थे. And हम ऐसे बैठे होते थे YouTube पे. याद है?
Yeah, absolutely.
So, watching any YouTube video like this was a sar ka dard.
Yeah, it was.
Right? Because you weren't used to it. Or using your phone in one hand. And अब फिर TikTok आया. नहीं, Musical.ly आया. It
Yeah,
turned
पहले
into
Musical.ly आया था.
TikTok.
Yeah.
Musical.ly इतना famous नहीं हुआ.
Yeah, नहीं हुआ था.
ByteDance bought Musical.ly, turned it into TikTok, and then it just became a thing.
Yeah.
People slowly started adapting the whole cringe phase that was. People kept watching videos like that. पता ही नहीं चला. It just went from this to this.
Yeah, exactly. That was
And
so
अब-
smooth.
And now people are like, horizontal videos नहीं देखी जाती.
That is a shame.
That is a shame because now I have to mostly shoot in portrait, right? इसका मसला ये है, for example, I'm making a show reel. सही है.
Yeah, I mean that is very. I don't even know the right word to put it for this. It's a disappointment. It's sad. You already have your show. Show reels are practically supposed to show what
Show
a filmmaker
everything.
can potentially do.
Exactly.
It's this whole effort that he's been putting in throughout the course of his career.
So now do you make 2 show reels, 1 portrait, 1 landscape? How do
I
you
mean,
match
like, I
both
don't
in
know,
one
man.
show reel?
How?
Exactly.
Bro, the dynamics just don't gel in together. They don't.
Again, wahi cross dissolve. So you slowly make people adapt,
Good,
and then they
yaar.
won't go back. Once you give some people something better, it becomes the level.
Yeah.
वो अलग बात है, expectation पर ऊपर हो जाती है.
Exactly what it becomes a benchmark for your new work that at least this is the level that we can achieve from him.
Talking about expectations, for example, पाकिस्तानी इंडस्ट्री जो फिल्म्स बनाती है, 30 करोड़ लगाए फिल्म पे, फिल्म का 2 घरों में बनी हुई है, एक्टर्स हैं, एंड यू नो पंजाब के कोई खेत है. 30 करोड़ किस चीज़ पे लगाए हैं आपने?
I don't know. I think
That's what
you're
I'm
the
saying.
best person to answer this question as well.
Like you can easily do it for free. You can make anything without a budget.
Okay, but
Subjectively.
yeah.
I mean,
subjective. That's
invest
exactly
in
what I was going to
equipment.
be saying.
For example, आपको short film बनानी है, you want high quality. If you don't care about the cast your friends. आपका घर है यार, दोस्तों का घर है. You can easily arrange anything you want. ठीक है. Most you have to pay for is petrol, renting the equipment.
That's it. Majorly.
That's it. You don't need a whole crew. If you need a crew, get your friends to do it. That's how you grow as a director. That's how you learn by working with people who are not on your level yet. I'm starting a production house, and जितने भी अभी तक लोग टीम में हैं, they barely know the basics of filmmaking. But why are they in the team? Because they have that drive in them. They want to learn. They're like, नहीं सिखाओ.
Yeah.
Hold
That's
a
a very
workshop.
crucial aspect.
Teach us. We want to be there. Shoot कर रहे हो, बाइक की रील है, कुछ भी है, we want to be there. We want to watch you do it. We want to learn. That's what you need.
Simple as
You
that.
don't need people that know. Okay, for example, I have someone who knows how to, make stop motion. And मैं बुला रहा हूँ, बंदा आ ही नहीं रहा. बंदा है, हाँ 1 घंटा 2 घंटे. You don't need people like that. ड्राइव नहीं है, आप वो नहीं कर पाएगा. बट इससे एक और चीज़ आती है. एडिटर्स जो होते हैं ना, एडिटर्स ऑलवेज नेवर हायर एन एनर्जेटिक एडिटर, दैट इज़ लाइक मैं ये भी करूँगा.
I think they get too much of everything, and at the end they don't really get anything.
एल कोड किसी का कॉल है, ऑलवेज हायर अ लेजी पर्सन, बिकॉज they'll find the quickest way to do it.
I think that if I'm not wrong, that was Bill Gates.
I don't know who it was.
They hire a lazy person because they'll figure out a smart way to do the same task.
The quickest way to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
if I'm
true.
not wrong, I think that was
They
Bill
go
Gates.
lazy is one thing, and just clumsy and
See, basically hire a smart worker rather than a hard worker.
Yeah.
Damn. I think with that being said, thank you so much, Musaddiq, for
No problem.
giving us your really
cents.
busy time out of your busy CIE schedule at this point in time. Good luck, my friend.
Thank you, man. Thanks for having me. Actually, good luck for the podcast.
Thank you so very much.
Episode person, I subscribe to his channel and follow him.
Thank you so much, my friend. That means a lot.
No
And
problem.
with that being said, thank you so much, guys, to you as well. Make sure to subscribe, just like the way Musaddiq said. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.